This is how to run TikTok ads for your business, whether you are in Nigeria or any eligible African country. All you need is your smartphone, a TikTok account, and the TikTok promote button. Okay, in this video you won't be needing a laptop, you won't be needing VPN, neither will you need a foreign phone number. All you need is your Nigeria information. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into our screen. So the first thing you want to do is to open your TikTok app. When you open your TikTok app, go to your profile, then post the video you want to run the ad for. Post the video you want to run the ad for. Let's say I want to use this video to run the ad. So what I'll do is to click on this icon here, see it right here. What I'll do is to click here, this three dot here. I have to click on that three dot right over there. Then I'll see this thing here that says promote, that says increase view. So I'll go ahead, that says increase view. I'll go ahead and click on increase view. Okay, increase view. Go ahead and click on the increase view button, and this should bring us to our ads in proper. All right, so at this level we have three main objectives for now. Which is to boost account, get sales, and also to generate leads. Okay, each of them has their own goal. Each of these objectives has their own goal. All right, so for the boost account, it has three goals: for more views, more followers, and more profile. Okay, now for the get sales, right here, the get sales has just one objective, which is to get more website visitors. All right, that is it right over there. And then for the last one, which is to get leads, is very simple. It has two goals. Which is to get more messages and also to get more phone calls. All right, so for the purpose of this video, I'll be using the boost account. All right, so you want to go with boost account. You want to increase your views. I want to increase my views for this particular video that I selected. For this particular video, see it here right here. For this particular video that I selected, I want to increase my views for this particular video. So what I'll do is to select either of these packages. Okay, either I spend 990 naira to get 3,200 views, or I spend 2,880 naira to get 9,300 views in one day. Okay, this is the view I'll get in one day. See it right here, in one day. Okay, so that is it. So the next thing I want to do is scroll down. If I want to have more detailed targeting, I will have to click on customize. This will take me to a more broader option. Okay, so I have to increase my duration. You see right here, 2 days. So I have to increase my duration. The highest you can get is 7 days. So you want to go ahead and select 7 days. If that is what you are okay with, then you can as well increase your budget here. Okay, how much do you want to spend per day? All right, so you want to put it at an amount you are comfortable working with. All right, so let me leave mine at 2,000. Or I just click on that button, then edit it right there. 2,000 naira per day. Then I click on confirm. There you go. Then after everything has been done, then click on choose package. Everything has been well set. So the next thing I want to do is to recharge my account. Now the way the TikTok ads work is that you convert your naira into coins. So it is the coins you use to pay for your ad. So the next thing you want to do is to recharge your TikTok account. So you want to click on the recharge button right over there. Click on it, and this will open up to the next phase. Let's see what this has for us. Okay, how much do you want to fund your TikTok account with? So fund your TikTok account with the amount you are comfortable working with. Remember, I fix in 2,000 naira per day, and I said the ad should run for 7 days. That is 2 times 7 is what? 14. That is 14,000 naira I'll be spending for that 14 days. So I want to go ahead and go for these 700 coins, which is 16,200 naira. So I want to fund my account with 16,000 naira. Okay, so you want to go ahead and click on recharge. When you click on this should open your Google Play. You know, if you have added your card to your Google Play before, your card should appear right there. Then you just have to click on buy. You just have to click on buy. I'm coming. You just have to click on buy right here. Click on buy right here, and voila, your account is being funded. Your account is being funded and your ad will start running after they have approved it. So this is how you can run your TikTok ads in Nigeria. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, and you will pay in naira. You pay in naira. If you find this video helpful, please do well to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will push it to as many people that needs it. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be among the first set of people to get notified whenever I post useful video just like this. I love you all. See you on the next one.